I'll be teaching you how to make your own mask. Now, because of the coronavirus, you need to buy a mask to protect yourself. So, if you cannot afford one, or you just want a budget version to make at home, watch this video. And if you're a parent and you want some fun with your child, make a mini one. Now, I'll be showing you how to make your mask look like this, as you can see. Okay, let's get on to the video. To make the mask, you'll be needing some elastic string, some tape, a pencil, a ruler, some scissors, and an X-Acto knife. Now, these objects are not safe for children, so if you are a child, make sure they have adult supervision. Okay, this is the template that is, pause it for a second. This is the template for your mask. I will leave it down below so you can draw it. But as you can see, the nose is this line here, this line is in the middle of the line of your lips, and here is the bridge here. Okay. What you're going to have to do is you have to cut it. So make sure you cut the outside edge. Pause it.